Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we can unbox and assemble these Maisto BMW M4 GTS on 1/24th scale. I bought this at Canadian Tire earlier for $28 including tax. So let's unbox it and assemble it. I was looking for this particular M4 for quite some time now. Luckily, they released it on assembly line, and I have the chance to assemble it myself. So these are the parts. It has a instruction. This is the base, the carbon splitter in orange. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's a carbon sticker and orange accent. This is the interior base. It has a roll cage and the carbon fiber roof. Let me open it. So let me just break down all the components so you can see it clearly. These are the tail lights, I suppose. Tail lights. This is the roll cage. You need to bend it like that. This is the carbon fiber roof. Nice carbon fiber roof. This is the dashboard. It's actually nice with a satin gray thing. This is the exhaust. These are nice. This is the carbon fiber seat, bucket seat. I don't know if you can see the carbon fiber accent on it. Nice. Carbon fiber seat, same. These are the tires. These are the stickers. Steering wheel. This is the front grille with the M logo on it. Front grille with the M logo. Side mirror. Some mirrors. What is this? I don't know what is this one, but oops. Rear view mirror. And the actual car itself is nice. So this is the actual body. Oh, unfortunately, the hood is not opening. The doors are opening. And the trunk, it has an M4 GTS badge on it with a spoiler, carbon fiber, and set of wheels right here. So we have the chrome set and the orange with a chrome accent on it. So I don't know which one we're gonna use, but that's all of it. So let's start the assemble. So that's it, guys. It's easy to assemble. You don't need to glue anything. Just snap, put and snap, and you only need 2 screws, one here and one here. And I'm quite surprised because Maisto is their die cast is getting more better and better through the years. They're making their die cast more details than before, and they're making it exactly looks like the same as the real one. Like for this particular one, the M4 GTS, the details, they have a carbon fiber accent on it. The rear wing is carbon fiber too. The splitter and the M logo here. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. And you see the headlight, the projector headlight right there. But one downside for this one is the hood is not opening, and the trunk, only doors are opening right here. Well, the other good thing is it has a roll cage, and the inside is so detailed too for this scale. But the bottom part it's just like this, but doesn't really matter because it's for display. So that's it. Easy to assemble, not even 5 minutes. So that's it for this one. Oh, I need to point out this one, the M4 GTS badge. I don't know how. Yeah, there you go. It has a rear diffuser too with on the carbon fiber, double exhaust, and yeah. So overall, I like these, and I'm happy that I bought it. I'm looking for this one for quite some time now. I finally got it, and that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell for the next video. And for those who subscribe already, thank you for watching and subscribing. Please keep watching. I have more videos coming. Have a good night, guys. Thank you. Enjoy. Bye.